Hello, this is Punk5558 and I'm the founder of Bitcoin Wallet SG. We are the authorized reseller of Trezor in Singapore. Personally, I have about 6 years of experience in cryptocurrency, and my experience range from crypto trading, DeFi, smart contracts, and NFTs. So I really like to share my knowledge of this space with newcomers because I know how complex and complicated some of the concepts are. And I aim to equip you with practical knowledge that you can apply immediately to navigate this space. The objectives of this quick introduction is for you to understand the fundamentals of cryptocurrency. We'll be going through a brief history and evolution of Bitcoin and some of the significant events. And also, we'll be going through some of the key concepts like blockchain technology, decentralization, cryptography, and consensus mechanism. This slide is a quick overview of some of the concepts that we'll be going through today, like decentralization, cryptography, consensus mechanisms, and of course, having crypto actually allow us to have peer-to-peer transactions without the need of intermediaries. In October 2008, an anonymous person or group known as Satoshi Nakamoto published a Bitcoin white paper titled Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. And this document introduced the concept of Bitcoin and the underlying blockchain technology. And in January 2009, the first Bitcoin network came into existence with the mining of the Genesis block. This marked the birth of the world's first decentralized cryptocurrency. In June 2011, the largest Bitcoin exchange at the time, Mt. Gox, suffered a major security breach, resulting in the theft of over 850,000 Bitcoins. These incidents highlighted the need for robust security measures and led to an increased focus on exchange security. Fast forward to July 2015, the Ethereum platform was launched, introducing smart contracts and enabling the development of decentralized applications, also known as dApps. Ethereum became the second largest crypto by market cap and played a significant role in the rise of blockchain-based projects. Starting in mid-2017, the cryptocurrency market experienced an unprecedented bull run, with Bitcoin reaching an all-time high of nearly 20,000 in December. This period saw a surge in public interest, investment, and the emergence of numerous new cryptocurrencies. Also in 2017, I'm sure some of you have heard of this term called initial coin offerings, ICOs. They gained popularity as a means for projects to raise funds. ICOs allowed companies to sell tokens in exchange for cryptocurrencies. However, regulatory concerns and a lack of investor protections led to increased scrutiny and a subsequent decline in ICO activity. In 2021, there has been a notable increase in institutional adoption and acceptance of cryptocurrencies. Major institutions such as Tesla, Square, and PayPal have embraced Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Additionally, the overall market cap of crypto reached a new all-time high, exceeding $2 trillion in 2021. And also in 2021, we witnessed a significant rise in the popularity and hype surrounding NFTs and digital collectibles. NFTs, also known as non-fungible tokens, are unique digital assets that represent ownership or proof of authenticity for a specific piece of item or piece of content, such as artwork, music, or even virtual real estate. The NFT market experienced a surge, with high-profile sales and auctions grabbing headlines. Digital artworks by renowned artists were sold for millions of dollars, and celebrities and influencers joined the trend. Now let's explore the concept of decentralization. Imagine a world where transactions and decision making are not controlled by a single authority, but are made collectively. Let's dive into a short story to understand decentralization better. Once upon a time, in a bustling neighborhood, there was a group of friends who wanted to organize a big community event. However, instead of appointing a single person to make all the decisions, they decided to work together and make decisions collectively. Each friend had a say in choosing the theme, deciding the activities, and organizing the event. This collaborative decision-making process is similar to decentralization in cryptocurrencies. In the realm of cryptocurrencies, decentralization means that transactions and decisions are not governed by a single authority like a bank or a government. Instead, they are validated and secured by a network of participants or nodes who work together to reach consensus. Decentralization in cryptocurrencies brings several advantages and features. First, it promotes transparency. Since transactions are validated and recorded by multiple participants in the network, everyone can view and verify the transaction history. This transparency reduces the risk of fraud and ensures accountability. Second, decentralization enhances security. In a decentralized network, data is distributed across multiple nodes, making it more resilient to attacks. Unlike traditional centralized systems, where a single point of failure can lead to a complete breakdown, decentralization ensures that no single node or entity has complete control, making it more difficult for malicious actors to manipulate or compromise the system. Third, decentralization fosters inclusivity. Anyone with internet access can participate in the network and contribute to the validation and security of transactions. This opens up opportunities for financial access and empowerment, particularly for individuals who may not have had access to traditional financial services. In summary, decentralization in cryptocurrencies ensures transparency, enhances security, and fosters inclusivity. It revolutionizes the way transactions are validated, making it more resilient and empowering individuals to take control of their financial activities. So, what is cryptography? Imagine you have a secret code that you and your friend use to send private messages. This code helps keep your messages secure and only readable by you and your friend. Cryptography is a way of protecting information by turning it into a secret code. It uses special math tricks to scramble the information and make it unreadable to anyone who doesn't have the secret code. Just like your secret code, cryptography makes sure that only the intended person can understand the message. When the person receives the decoded message, they use the secret code to decode it and reveal the original message. In the world of cryptocurrencies, cryptography plays an important role in keeping transactions and wallets secure. When you make a transaction with cryptocurrencies, the message is encrypted to protect it from being seen by others. Only the intended person who has the special code can decrypt and understand the transaction details. Cryptography also provides other important features. It ensures that the information remains unchanged during the transmission, so nobody can tamper with it. It also helps verify the identity of the people involved in the transaction, building trust and security. To summarize, cryptography is like a secret code that protects information by turning it into a code. It keeps messages secure, ensures the information isn't tampered with, and helps verify identities. Cryptography is an essential part of keeping transactions and wallets safe in the world of cryptocurrencies. What is blockchain? Imagine a special notebook that keeps tracks of all the transactions in your community. Instead of it being owned by one single person, this notebook is shared among everyone. Whenever a transaction occurs, it is recorded as a new page in the notebook and connected to the previous page. Now, imagine that each person in the community has their own copy of this notebook. Whenever a new transaction happens, all the copies are updated simultaneously. This shared and decentralized system is what we call a blockchain. It allows everyone to have an identical and transparent view of the transactions. No single person or authority has control over the entire notebook. Instead, everyone works together to validate and maintain the accuracy of the information. In summary, blockchain is a public ledger that is decentralized, meaning it operates without a central authority. It is immutable, as once a transaction is recorded, it cannot be altered. It ensures security through cryptography, protecting data from unauthorized access. Different blockchains may also use different consensus mechanisms to validate transactions and maintain the integrity of the system. Now let's explore the concept of consensus mechanisms, which are important for maintaining the integrity of blockchain networks. Consensus mechanisms are like the rules everyone in the group follows to agree on something. There are different types of consensus mechanisms, and we'll focus on three more popular ones: proof of work, proof of stake, and delegated proof of stake. Proof of work, also known as POW, is like a puzzle solving competition. Imagine a group of people trying to solve a puzzle, and the first one to find the solution gets a reward. In proof of work, participants, also known as miners, they use their computer power to solve complex mathematical puzzles. The first one who solves it first adds a new block to the blockchain and is rewarded with new coins. This process makes the blockchain secure because it requires a lot of computational power to alter the blocks. Proof of stake, also known as POS, works a bit differently. Instead of solving puzzles, participants, also known as validators, are chosen based on the number of coins they hold. Validators with more coins have a higher chance of being chosen to validate transactions and add new blocks to the blockchain. This consensus mechanism relies on the participant's stake or investment in the system to secure the network. The last one, a delegated proof of stake, DPoS, is like a representative democracy. Instead of everyone participating directly, token holders vote for delegates who represent them. These delegates are responsible for validating transactions and maintaining the blockchain. They take turns to produce blocks and secure the network. DPoS offers faster transaction confirmation times and scalability by allowing a small group of trusted delegates to make decisions. In summary, consensus mechanisms are the rules that blockchain networks follow to agree on transactions and add them to the blockchain. Proof of work relies on solving puzzles. Proof of stake depends on the participants' stakes in the system, and delegated proof of stakes uses delegates elected by token holders. Each mechanism has its own benefits and considerations, and they contribute to the secure and efficient operation of blockchain networks. Now let's take a look into the future of cryptocurrency and explore some exciting trends and developments on the horizon. One trend to watch for is the rise of layer 2 solutions. These are new ways to make cryptocurrencies faster and cheaper to use. They help to solve the problem of too many people using the network at the same time, so transactions can happen more quickly and with lower fees. Another exciting development is NFTs, non-fungible tokens. These are special digital items that can't be copied and represent unique things like artwork or collectibles. They have become very popular and allow artists and creators to sell their digital creations in a secure and transparent way. Looking even further ahead, there's something we call the metaverse. It's like a virtual world where people can do all sorts of things like work, play, and explore. It combines virtual reality and other technologies to create immersive experiences. Cryptocurrencies will be used in the metaverse to buy and sell things, and people can have unique digital experiences. One of the key trends is also gaming. You can now own and trade special items in games using cryptocurrencies. This means that the things you earn and achieve in a game can have real value outside of the game world. In summary, the future of cryptocurrency is full of exciting possibilities. We can expect faster and cheaper transactions with L2 solutions, more opportunities to buy and sell digital items with NFTs, immersive experiences in the metaverse, and new ways to enjoy and earn value from Web3 gaming. So we have come to the end of our lesson today. If you have learned something, please share it with one friend that might find this useful. Subscribe to our newsletter and follow our social media account for more content like this. I hope I will see you again next time. Have a great day.